this is how we chat for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Skype profile picture from your MacBook Pro or any Apple computer. You have to hit your Skype. Here we go. You can see I have my Skype account here. So here you can see the picture in Windows and Skype, more or less it will be the similar. You can click here, you see your profile, update photo, view photo, remove photo. If you don't see here, doesn't matter. Here you see profile, hit this one, fourth option you can see here, hit Skype profile. The same option, click this one, upload a photo, view photo or remove photo. I hit view photo. You can see my picture here. If you want to change, I hit this one, upload a photo, any photo from computer. You can decide your drive here. You can go to iCloud drive to search where you have better picture, download place, whatever you want. You can go and check. Or sometime I go to my OneDrive. Here we go, and I go to picture. Let's see. Decide any picture you like. So I put here this picture. So you see, and close this one. The picture is changed. Very easy, simple process. So this is the very simple tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.